Hi, hello, how are you? Hope you are doing good and fine. See, in these days, the weather is changed and we are in hot weather now. So, during this hot weather, we used to see that fans are on and with the wind, sheets are flying here and there. So to stop them, we required something heavy to keep on a sheets, keep on a files, keep on a paper, keep on a books also. So for that, today I'm going to take a new topic in your art class. The topic is paperweight. See, we are going to make paperweight with the help of stone. Only we are taking a stone, simple stone, which we can see it is nearby a home or it will be in a home also. So we are going to take stone. You may take anything heavy for this. Shall we start? Let's go. So today we are going to make a paperweight. For that I am using a simple stone. Fabric colors, you may use poster colors. If you are not having fabric colors, you may use poster colors. Sketch pen for the outlining. We are going to use yellow pencil, or you may use white pencil. Any light pencil we can use, because while we will draw on that, this surface is dark. So the thing what we will draw with the pencil, it will be visible. Now next question is what we are going to draw. You may draw anything. Okay. So I am going to start with the scene, with this sunset scene. Here I'll make cat. This will be the surface. Okay. First of all, yellow from this surface to top. Next color I am using crimson. Suppose I want to make a sun over there also, so I am taking yellow color. It will be dry. We are using brown color next. Flash tint. Now with this I am making clouds. Wait for a few minutes, let it dry, and then we will do the next work. Now I am going to apply burnt sienna, it's called brown, to give the details. I am taking some color on a cap. Now the details. First of all, I am going to make a mosquito. And my next color is black. Now the final touches. Only you may take black for the final touch. Remember, I used brown and black for this. Down portion I'll mix with. So easiest work to make paperweight. You may make anything more, you make some more design, you may make anything of your choice. Here I used only these colors, you can use more. Thank you. Use your imagination, use your creativity. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Thank you.